Okay, this is the upper. Let me grab it here. This is a 12-inch Grendel BK firearms. Here's the issue I'm having. Hopefully the light, maybe I need to turn this in better lighting, but okay, closed chamber, magazine in, 10-round magazine. This is a Hornady Black ELDM release. Bring it out. It did not eject. Lock the chamber open. As you see, the lighting sucks. Trying to move you to better lighting. Which way I go? Let's see here. I apologize. Not a YouTuber. So, got magazine. So chamber's around, but the bolt isn't picking up the round in the ejector. So release again, load it around, taking the magazine out, open the chamber. It's not ejecting because it's not on the extractor. Locking the chamber, tilting the gun, it falls out. Okay, releasing. We're going to open up the chamber or the halves. Okay, let me grab these rounds over here real quick. Again, these are the ELDM Black from Hornady. There's a stupid label. Hopefully you can read that. So these are factory ammo from Hornady. Okay, set this down for a second. Here's a single casing of 4 that I got to fire. I'll hold these up here. You can see that the case is slightly swollen up here in the neck. It's changed shape. And if you look, hopefully it'll pick it up. Maybe I need to move my finger. The casing has a mark on it at the shoulder here. Now this one here, you see the black electrical tape I've put on it. Let me put the two halves back together. Before I do that, I'm going to load that in the magazine. Keeping the magazine right within your view. No trickery here. We'll put the two halves back together. No trickery. Magazine in. Charge back. Might not set that time. Oh, maybe it did. Anyway, drop this magazine. Eject. Missed it. I'm a lefty. So set this back down here. Here's that round with the tape on it. Right there on the shoulder. Take it up a couple thousandths of an inch in the chamber. This is a registered SDR. So the bolt carrier. This one is a Fostech. I have tried 7 other bolt carriers from numerous different manufacturers. Some of them the nitride, some of them the chrome lined, military spec, actual military M16 bolt carrier from work. None of those solved the problem. The bolt carrier, or the bolt itself, is Alexander Arms bolt carrier. Let me get this bad boy out. Bear with me here. Lighting in my gym here kind of sucks. Your family's asleep, so gotta do these things on the fly here. Let's see here, where is it? I know it's marked. Well, I thought it was marked. Either way, this bolt carrier is a brand new from Alexander Arms bolt carrier, or bolt. My apologies, I keep calling it a bolt carrier. Now, if I take the bolt, I drop a round in. See, if you hopefully it's picking up on camera. See the bolt in there, the bullet in there. Make sure I face this the right way. Not having much luck tonight. Okay. And I rotate it. See if I can get it to rotate. I may not be able to get it to rotate. Yeah, it'll rotate it. But I'll do it this way. I'm going to do it this way, guys. So we put the bolt back in. Key it to the right direction. I don't want to be. I'm going to leave the firing pin out. There's no need for a firing pin right now. We're not going to be discharging. Alright. So, round in chamber. This is a live round. No firing pin. No possible way to discharge. Alright, I'll put that in there. And I got that play, right? And then if I go, if I bring it back out, I lock it. As you can hear, it's locking. Damn. I don't know how to get better lighting on this. But it's definitely rotating the lugs on the bolt. But it's not pulling the round out. As you can see, the round is right there. Now when I put these back together, I'm leaving the firing pin out. We don't, like I said, we don't need a firing pin right now for what we're doing. Diagnosis purposes. How should I put the truck handle back in? like 3 a.m. right now, guys. So, after working all day. Okay. Now, I'll bring it back. Set around in here. Catch it back. This is a pain in the ass to do. You're trying to catch it on the extractor. All right. Now, got the round on the extractor. I'm going to close the chamber. Pull it in there. Close the chamber. Pull it out. And it ejects. Therefore, my only conclusion is this chamber is cut a little bit too deep. It's a few thousandths out of spec. Maybe it works fine with the Wolf steel case, but with the Hornady factory, I went through 4 boxes of Hornady ELD. Oh, it ain't gonna hold. There's a few more. I've tried every one of these in here, along with another box which I left out in the house. And I got a total of 3 to actually discharge. Things happen. I fully understand that. I've already reached out to the company after a couple emails. They are sending me a shipping label to send it back. They requested my my bolt carrier, at least the bolt. I'm going to send the bolt carrier to that way they can verify. I'm going to send them the spent case that I recovered. I'm going to send them this one with the tape on it. I'm going to send them a box of the ELDs unfired. And as you can see, hopefully the camera will pick them up. When I try firing them, there's a very, very, very light primer strike. As I said, it's just that the bolt isn't catching the round when the chamber closes, so it has to be, in my opinion. I mean, I'm not firearm expert by any means. I've only been a shooter for 35 years now, so these in my experience, this would be a miscut chamber. I hear only good things about this company. That's why I got this upper as a gift for Christmas. And I'm going to do an update video explaining exactly what the outcome of this experience is with the company. Like I said, I don't expect any negative outcomes, but I did want to make this video. This video is going to be emailed to them first and foremost. That's why I'm putting it on YouTube, so that way they can see what I'm dealing with here, and that way they have a course of action to fix the problem, and they actually have an idea what the hell they're what the problem is that I'm trying to explain to them in emails. I'm not Mr. Email, and I want to make sure it's clear and concise what the problems are and everything that I've done to try and resolve, or at least diagnose the problem. Again, I'll do an update video for everybody out there who may end up catching this video. But fingers crossed, all this will go well. In a few days, I'll have a fixed upper in my hands, and this bad boy will be going out for deer if it gets here early enough. For deer season this year, and definitely for hogs for the foreseeable future. Y'all have a good evening, and thank you for everybody for their help when it comes to this video from the company.